Before starting, I would like to ask you if you believe in magic.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So I'm going to make a magic trick for you if you agree. Without you moving from your seat, in the next 5 minutes I have a presentation. At the end of the 5 minutes, each of you will generate $14 of ecosystem services every year for 40 years. Do you believe I can do that?
I don't know, I want to see them.
Okay, he said no, that's good, it's a challenge. So me, I started in '98, as you said, I started this small fair trade and organic shop. It didn't work well, so we started to sell fair trade and organic products in supermarkets, and that worked well. Products were organic and fair trade, but people were asking us, what do you do for climate change? Because we were importing products from all over. And then I met Francisco Alegría Ruiz in Peru. He was one of the supplier of cocoa for Alter Eco brand. And before he was doing coca, for cocaine production. And when you do intensive agriculture, you find this kind of degraded ecosystem. Soil becomes very poor, no water, no diversification of income. You buy chemical products that cost a lot. And the farmers become poorer and poorer because he buys every year more chemicals, and his product is sold at very poor prices. And so with Francisco, we had the idea to plant trees within this cocoa parcel to regenerate soil, water, biodiversity. We had the idea not only to plant in the field, but everywhere it makes sense at the watershed level. It means along the river streams, on slopes, in biodiversity hotspots. So we call it doing agroforestry at the landscape level. And that's how I founded Pure Projet, because some companies asked me, can you do that for us? Can you plant within your supply chain, the same you did for Alter Eco? So because we were planting the trees within our value chain, someone told us we were doing insetting and not offsetting, so we created this kind of concept of offsetting your climate footprint within your value chain. And we discovered that planting tree actually generates so many benefits for the planet, for the farmers, and for companies. It's the best tool, the best investment you can make on Earth. A tree costs $4 and it generates up to $14 per year per tree of ecosystem and economic services. So you see, we planted trees for climate mitigation, but climate mitigation is only 30 cents, and all the rest is crazy in terms of value creation for farmers, of course, for soil, for water, and for making the supply chain more resilient. Because with the trees you protect the crops, so you increase the quality and the quantity of the products. So you see here, if you do offsetting, when you plant a tree you get only 30 cents. But if you do insetting for the company, you get 10 times more. Because it's within your value chain, so it makes your value chain more resilient and more valued. In Ethiopia, where we plant, the social service is higher because farmers are really poor. In Guatemala, it's more for reducing soil erosion, and so on. In Colombia, for water management. So we use the tree for anything that people need. And Francisco now, he has planted 3 million trees there in Peru. Project is totally self-managed, and we went beyond that. Now with him and his cooperative, we helped to protect 400,000 hectares as a REDD+ conservation project. And last year we even brought it to a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve of 2.4 million hectares, that's 3 times Corsica. And that's why planting 3 million trees covered 4,000 hectares. How can we cover 2.4 million hectares? It's huge now, the size of projects we're facing. So that's why we founded the international platform for insetting with many key companies like L'Oréal, Chanel, Nespresso, etc. and many NGOs to create a movement. And this is Francisco with his son saying you have to plant billions of trees, guys, because every day 10 million trees are cut. So the 8 million trees we planted is nothing. So we want you, all of you at Change Now, to plant and to do many other things. This is a tree that I planted for each of you. So we already inset Change Now, but we will count roughly how many people are here. And for each of you, we will allocate a tree. And that's how I do my magic trick, because this tree will generate every year $14 of ecosystem services. So congratulations. Do you believe in magic now?
Yeah.
Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you so much. That's amazing. Such a great presentation.